Today we learn to preparation of alcohol. First preparation method, hydrolysis of alkyl halide. Preparation of alcohol or preparation method of alcohol. First preparation method, hydrolysis of alkyl halide. Alkyl halide is represented by RX. Alkyl halide is represented by RX. R is represented by alkyl group, that is CH3 methyl, CH3CH2 ethyl, CH3CH2 CH2 propyl, CH3CH2 CH2 CH2 butyl. R is represented by alkyl group, that is methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl, etc. And X is represented by halide group. X is represented by halide group, that is chlorine, bromine, iodine and fluorine. Preparation of alcohol. First preparation method, hydrolysis of alkyl halide. Alkyl halide is represented by RX. R means the alkyl and X means the halide group, or X means the halogen group. X is represented by halogen group or halide group. R is represented by alkyl group, methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl, pentyl, hexyl, etc. First reaction, hydrolysis of alkyl halide. Preparation of alcohol. Preparation of alcohol means gives the product of alcohol. Alcohol is represented by ROH, alkyl alcohol, or ROH is represented by alcohol. ROH is represented by alcohol. First preparation method, hydrolysis of alkyl halide. Alkyl halide. The starting material by using the alkyl halide. RX alkyl halide is reacts with alkali. Alkyl halide is reacts with alkali NaOH, NaOH or KOH or KOH. Alkyl halide is reacts with alkali NaOH in the presence of heat. In the presence of heat, to gives alkyl halide is reacts with alkali in the presence of heat. In the presence of heat, to gives alcohol. To gives alcohol. ROH and NaX and NaX. Alkyl halide is hydrolysis of or alkyl halide is boiled with aqueous NaOH solution. Aqueous NaOH solution to gives alcohol and sodium halide Rx is represented by alkyl halide. Rx is represented by alkyl halide. NaOH is represented by alkaline solution or alkali, and ROH is represented by alcohol. ROH is represented by alcohol, and NaX is also known as the sodium halide. NaX is also known as the sodium halide. First preparation method: hydrolysis of alkyl halide. Alkyl halide is treated with aqueous NaOH solution to gives alcohol and sodium halide. For example, R is represented by methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl, etc. CH3 is also known as the methyl. CH3 is bonded X. X means the chlorine, bromine, iodine and fluorine. Methyl is bonded to chloride, and methyl is bonded to chloride. It is also known as the methyl chloride. Methyl chloride is treated with NaOH. Methyl chloride is treated with NaOH. Methyl chloride reacts with aqueous NaOH in the presence of heat. To gives methyl alcohol. And byproduct of sodium chloride. CH3 is bonded to alcohol. CH3 is bonded to hydroxy group, and name of the structure is methyl alcohol. And byproduct of sodium chloride. NaCl. Next example. C2H5 Cl plus NaOH or aqueous NaOH, boiled with aqueous NaOH to gives remove the NaCl and formation of ethyl alcohol. C2H5OH plus NaCl plus NaCl. Sodium chloride. C2H5 Cl is also known as the ethyl chloride. Ethyl chloride is reacts with, or ethyl chloride is treated with boiling aqueous NaOH solution to gives ethyl alcohol. or ethyl alcohol is also known as ethanol. Ethyl alcohol is also known as ethanol, and byproduct of sodium chloride. And byproduct of sodium chloride. Next reaction, C3H7. C3H7. C3H7 is written by CH3, CH2, CH2. In this general molecular formula consists of the three carbon atoms, first, second and third, as well as hydrogen, as well as consist of the 7 hydrogen, 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7. In this propyl chain, bonded chloride, in this propyl is bonded to chlorine, and name of the structure is propyl chloride. Name of the structure is propyl chloride. Propyl chloride. Cl is a halide group. Propyl chloride is treated with aqueous potassium hydroxide. Aqueous potassium hydroxide in the presence of heat to gives. In the presence of heat to gives propyl alcohol or propanol. To gives propyl alcohol or propanol. CH3, CH2, CH2 and OH. CH3, CH2, CH2, OH, and byproduct of KCl and byproduct of potassium chloride. Ne is represented by sodium and K is represented by potassium. In this structure is also known as propanol. OL is represented by hydroxy group, OH group, alcoholic OH group, and name of the structure is propanol. Or in this propanol, the common name system, name of the structure is propyl alcohol. Common name system, name of the structure is propyl alcohol, and KCl is also known as potassium chloride. Potassium chloride. In these reactions or in this preparation method, details discuss about the 11th class. Today we learn to hydrolysis of alkyl halide. Alkyl halide is treated with alkali solution. Is heated with alkali solution to gives alcohols. Methyl chloride, ethyl chloride, propyl chloride is reacts with alkali solution or is heated with aqueous solution, NaOH, KOH, and KOH to gives methyl alcohol, propyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol, etc. Next preparation method, moisture of silver oxide. silver oxide. Silver is represented by Ag. Silver is represented by Ag, and oxide is represented by O. Oxide is represented by O. Silver oxide, the molecular formula of Ag2O means the silver oxide. In this preparation method, by using the alkyl halide, starting material of alkyl halide is reacts with silver or alkaline hydrolysis of AgOH, silver hydroxide, in the presence of Ag2 means the silver oxide and H2O, means the hydrolysis of silver oxide, to gives alcohol, ROH. R is represented by alkyl group and OH is represented by alcoholic hydroxy group, or OH is represented by alcohol. Alkyl halide is reacts with alkaline hydrolysis of AgOH in the presence of silver oxide, to gives alcohol, and byproduct of silver halide, AgX. X is represented by halide group, alkyl halide. X is represented by halide group, chlorine, bromine, iodine and fluorine. R is represented by alkyl group, methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl, etc. For example, CH3X means the CH3Cl, methyl chloride, is reacts with silver or alkaline hydrolysis of AgOH, silver hydroxide, in the presence of Ag2O means the silver oxide is hydrolysis of silver hydroxide, to gives methyl alcohol, CH3OH and AgCl means the silver chloride. Aqueous solution. Alkyl halide or methyl chloride is heated with AgOH. Methyl chloride is heated with AgOH. Methyl chloride is heated with AgOH in the presence of silver oxide. To gives methyl alcohol, and byproduct of silver chloride, Next example R, that is C2H5. In this C2H5 is written by CH3, written as CH3CH2. C2 means 2 carbons and H5 means the 5 hydrogen. H3 3 hydrogen plus H2 2 hydrogen, 3 plus 2 5 hydrogen. CH3CH2 means ethyl chloride. Ethyl chloride reacts with silver hydroxide. Ethyl chloride reacts with silver hydroxide in the presence of silver oxide. Silver oxide to gives AgCl, to gives CH3CH2OH is ethyl alcohol, also known as ethyl alcohol, and byproduct of AgCl. AgCl means silver chloride. Next example, CH3CH2 Br in this structure is also known as propyl bromide. X is equal to halide group. That is chlorine, bromine, iodine, fluorine, etc. In this structure is also known as propyl bromide. Propyl bromide reacts with alkaline hydrolysis of AgOH. In the presence of silver oxide. Or alkaline hydrolysis of silver oxide to gives propyl alcohol CH3CH2 and OH. In this structure is also known as the propyl alcohol. Three carbon chain is known as the propyl, and OH group is also known as the alcohol, propyl alcohol. Or IUPAC name system, name of the structure is propanol. And byproduct of EgBr means silver bromide. EgBr is also known as the silver bromide.